morning, chat. Chatty chat. Hey, Bobby. Okay.
Yo,
What's up, white chocolate?
something more?
Yo, I thought you were about to say some bullshit.
That would be crazy.
Yo, I heard I heard the N start, and I was like, oh shit. And there goes stock hours, brother. He has before, yeah, but yeah, he has the pass for me, so it's cool.
That would be a crazy way to start the day, though.
Yeah, he has a pass. For me. Um, okay, pretty boys and girls and everyone else. Today's a crazy day. We got FOMC, which I feel like which we haven't had in a little while. It feels like, you know. Hopefully that could be the change factor of this fucking range market. But in the last 8 days, I've only had one red, so I'm okay with that shit. And I'm getting through it as it feels like nothing's happening. But I do see it, so I know that it's definitely a very challenging market. And lucky for us, we're in stock hours because the last 8 days have been smooth. So, same thing goes today. If you take a look at MU, you got a pre-hype earnings push in the morning, where we touched like 477, and now we're trading right back at 465. What the fuck does that do for us? Then you have Tesla hit a 403 high this morning, and then now we're trading at 398. The only thing that looks good in this range is Nvidia, because it's not just a range, it's actually consolidating, which is nice. So I'm kind of looking at that. Meta is also like one of those stocks that just can't catch a break here, man. Like, you know, if you keep looking at this isn't good coming into like their earnings, because you have to remember they always know. So we'll see. So this is how it's on some 50-cent shit. Yeah. So this is how it's gonna go today. We're gonna catch a morning move. We're gonna do a morning move. Hopefully we're done fairly quickly, just because FOMC is today, and then we're going to return back at 2 p.m. in my other Discord. And I'll be with my friend. But yeah. Someone said we swing at earnings. Here we go with the bullshit, bro. Here we go. How do we get in that? We'll stick around and I'll tell you. Buddy. Damn, I have another episode to drop, but it's like, I think I'm just gonna wait. Man. Yo, who has a Whoop bracelet in here? Anybody? If you didn't know, we have a stock hours Whoop group chat. So if you want to join that, send Rocco, you're in it. Can you send the code for them to join? Aura Ring is definitely not the move for us who actually lift with our hands, because that shit makes no sense. The only thing Aura is better in, I would say, is probably sleep, maybe. But yeah, for us, You
Do
know
you
what?
private it at all, or no?
Yeah, I mean, I have some people around me. It's usually the woman, not to put a gender on it, but the women have it on their fingers, which is amazing because, they don't do anything with their hands, which is amazing. That's how it's supposed to be. I love that. Pretty hands, you got a little ring on your finger. See, my hands, I like to lift. See, my girl does. I love women. Amazing, brother. If you love men, I still don't care. I don't judge. I don't care. It's legal. We all love who we love, is what I'm trying to say. All right.
Alright. Good morning.
I
Start
love
right.
George, so like at the end of the day, it doesn't even matter, bro.
You feel me? Alright, Meta's shaking some shit over here,
Yeah,
huh?
it's some bullshit. That's what
It,
it's doing.
it just broke everything that I liked.
Yep.
Yeah, I was watching 617.
Yeah.
Is that what you had?
Yeah, I was looking to take that off the rip into 615.
What did it
Oh
close at?
man,
6. Wait, today? Oh, Yo, we playing today's contracts, brother?
Mark.
No, I always am, brother.
Brother,
Yeah,
brother, brother. All right, so look, let's take a look at this. 610s that looks like what I'm gonna be playing off the open. There's 23 seconds. I'm gonna have the 610 puts ready for meta. I want a green to red, and then I will be taking a position on that. If I can't get a green to red and we got a red to red, I'm not the guy that's gonna signal that shit. Especially with you, Herbs, that just joined today. I can't trust y'all. So give me a green or red. I got the 610 puts ready for meta. Looking at the 610 puts for meta. Okay, we got to pop off the open. That makes my job a little bit easier.
They're cheap.
What, the 610s?
Yeah.
They'll be like 250.
I was expecting them to open up around 2 or 3.
They opened up at 2, no?
I feel like they
What's
did.
that?
Yeah, they'll be at 250 around there by the time we play. Like right now we're trading at 170. Let's see. Again, guys, I'm looking to play this green to red. I'm looking at 610 puts on meta. I'll do a giveaway today. We haven't done one in a while. Give away free subscriptions and shit like that. We'll have some fun. Okay, we got the 1 minute candle over with. Anything we're missing here looking at meta? Let me take a look around. No. Oh wow, Tesla off the fucking open. I'm gonna stick to meta maybe. Oh man, it's pushing. Alright.
It's turning around and Meta's still holding up.
Yeah, well that's just meta being meta,
Yeah, I mean, this will have a $5 candle out of nowhere.
See what happens here. The market starts to get a push.
Yeah, I wanna see that.
Mine staying cash.
Ah.
A little U-turn, and you with a U-turn.
Yes, beautiful. Now I feel like I definitely missed shit. Yo, Nvidia is gonna be a trade I take today 160% if this ends up coming down more, and it looks like it's headed there. So I'll switch over as soon as I get my alert. As of right now, we're good. I'm good to stay on meta. I like my chart on Nvidia. Chat, make sure you stay around. I got some announcements to make beneficial to you guys. I'll also do a little giveaway. What the fuck happened to my vacuum?
Did we got 180 on that or no?
Yes. Oh, temporary return. Okay.
Nah, Mark is trying to push here. Meta's just
Yeah.
bullshitting around.
Yeah. I feel like we're gonna get our trade. Yo, did you see these candles on Netflix? I wasn't looking at it, it was just on the corner of my eye, but yo, it had one big red candle off the open, and then the candle right after that just layered it.
Oh, yo. seeing now.
All right, guys. Patience, patience, patience. It's been 3 minutes. It feels like 30 minutes. Shake it. SNDK is always looking fucking nasty. It's just we can't freaking trade it. By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube right now, the Discord is free. Just click the link anywhere on my YouTube. Join the free link, and you'll be in the Discord instead of being on my YouTube. And then we're also doing a lesson tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, which we do every single day anyways. So that's free, and I also won't be live streaming that. So make sure you're there.
That is crazy, bro. $20 push off the open, and then a $15
Yep.
drop on the next one.
Yeah, SNDK looks nasty, buddy. All right, so look, Meta's consolidating. Nvidia ain't far. Nvidia ain't far at all. Okay. Patience, patience, patience pays, patience pays. All right. Nvidia's getting close, man. Let me just check this out real quick. Let me just see every chart so I don't feel like I missed anything. Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. All right, still checks out everything I need it to be when that time comes. It's not there yet, so nothing to worry about. My entry for Meta, if it were to come down, is somewhere near that low. Now, I don't know if this is, yeah, see, look, this candle right here. I don't like that. But if it did come down aggressively, we saw aggressive move, then I'd take it. Okay. Frank, you're a little quiet for me, bro.
Yo, what's up?
You're a little too quiet.
I'm just chilling.
No funny business from you today, right?
Oh,
I was about to say he might.
He's fucking lying to my face, bro.
nah.
He's gonna act like it happened during power hour. Yo, bro, it was. You weren't there, bro.
Nah.
All right.
Shovel said.
Yeah, Shovel. He's showing us his side account right now. My whole house is being vacuumed. I love this. When I'm done trading, I go out there to a clean house. If you guys are looking for the best possible house vacuum, I'm gonna say it's the UFi Omni S2 Pro. That's what I use. That costs more than my car. I'm not sure. I think it's 2,000. Yo. Oh man, I'm keeping my comments to myself. All right, well we gotta jump on Meta, and you got a slight rebound on Nvidia. Can we get some patience from you guys real quick? Cause it's coming. All right, let me take a look at this. Let's see. Nothing. Nada. De nada. Yo, I think Drake should have dropped his album during spring break. I think it would have been crazy.
But he hasn't dropped it?
Nah, Iceman. No, I'm not fasting today, brother. No, not today, brother.
Is today the last day or tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. Yo, my fitness has taken a crazy pop. I don't know if you guys see my fucking strain, but like during Ramadan, I pushed extremely hard. Your code for Vanquish, I'm not sure. You gotta try it, brother. Not sure, but that's the tab. I think it's a free reset now and 20% off. Yeah, I haven't played in a while, Walkie. But the thing is, I wouldn't lose, so that goes for anybody in this chat.
What? Oh,
Tennis. Let's see.
I'm scrolling through everything. I don't see sheesh.
Yeah, I'm paying attention here. Whoop. Join the Stock Hours Whoop chat. It's on the Whoop. You just gotta put our code in. Nah, ping pong, I play like an Asian man. And that's not racist. Ask Kevin about me. Oh, Laffy knows. Oh man, I put a $60,000 bet in the air for Laffy. Laffy, tell him about me, buddy. Do you think we got into blah 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 for other reasons than the public is being told? I mean, obviously, brother. Just finished watching Marty Supreme for the 3rd time last night. I'm ready. I'll whoop his ass too. What's the best way to pay less taxes? Lucky for you, my actual personal accountant is in the chat. He also has an office in New York if you'd like to go visit him. Oh man, NVIDIA. Okay. What's the link for WAP? WAP or Whoop, buddy? Whoop is what tracks your fitness and sleep. So Tesla's popping right now. I think I'm gonna get that ready. A little scalperooski on the line here. Let me just take a look at what contracts look the best. Yeah, 405s.
The same days.
Yeah, I'm looking at 405s, guys. The 405s.
Oh, you're starting to pull back here to see if this holds.
Yeah, let's see if this
401
holds.
area.
If it holds, I'll be interested on that 402 level. I got an alert set at 4183, but that's only if we get a serious pop. Yeah, like a serious aggressive move. Here we go. I'm in. I got filled for $1.40, guys. $1.40 on Tesla for the 405 calls for today. $1.40. I'm looking for a quick move. It's no home run. I'm looking for a base hit to 402.36 is my target. We're at $1.45 there. I could cut this really quickly, so I'm going to let you guys know. My finger's going to be on that sell button. Just keep that in mind.
Marcus pulling back here.
Yep. Tesla's doing better every time it pulls back. We're at $1.45 again there. My fill was $1.40. We ended up pulling back, but we're holding up pretty well here. If you don't know how to play same-day contracts and have the correct sizing, do not play same-day contracts. It's very simple. I'm still in. I'm getting ready to get out. If this doesn't get a quick pop here, I'm out. It should though, because it's been holding up against the market. As long as the market doesn't overreact here. Yeah, we're right back here. Nice. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. I might end up adding to this if that ends up pushing through. Damn, that would have been nice.
Market's dropping.
Yeah, the market's overreacting here, guys. So I'm getting ready here just in case. Tesla's holding up really well. Damn, QQQ got crushed there. Waiting for this candle to close and then I'm out, guys. Just giving it a sec. That's an overreaction. Nice, Tesla, red to green. Beautiful. Reading that chart. Oh my God. All right, guys, if this ends up pushing to 401.84, I have an alert there. That's where I'll add to this trade. Beautiful price action here. Allowed the candle to close. Here we are. Yeah, this could be a big fucking trade if this happens correctly. I'm going to add to this trade at 84 cents. I'm adding. Oh my God, shake it. Yo, what did we just hit? 402.16? Tesla rip.
I'll tell you right now. Yeah, 4-16.
All right, I'm going to tighten up my stop now. Hold up. My stop is now 401.17. I'm not going to let it go past that. That's my hard stop right there, 401.17. I hired my stop. You got this wish-washy market here. I ended up adding to my trade, so I have to hire my stop. That's the only way that makes sense. That was beautiful, though. Again, my first target's 402.37, around that area. I'll probably sell in the 30 break. We'll see. Depends how we get up there. How are we looking on the bigger time frame here? Yeah, we got room. Here we go. Come on. Yo, market is every time. It's just as long as market doesn't have an aggressive candle down, this is going to be a beautiful move to the upside. So I just need to hope on market just not doing anything stupid, just normal market shit. I don't care if it falls a little bit. That's fine with me. It actually benefits me more because Tesla's responding well to any drop. Here we go. 402.10. Contracts are $1.50. Here we go. First target is 402.30. We're struggling, but the market's pushing now. I need this to move with it. There we go. First target hit right there. I didn't sell anything. I'm going to be looking to sell half. Oh my God. Oh my God. $1.70. Come on. Like I said, as long as market doesn't do anything crazy, we've got it. And we ended up hitting our first target. I didn't end up selling anything, but I'll let you know as soon as I sell. Remember, I'm Nor Trades and you're not. You don't have to do.
That's why.
All right. See? George knows.
I'm gonna sell another piece here above 70 cents and then maybe see what that does. But I might. What's your trading still? Same thing?
No, I hired it to 401. Not much of a difference. 401.34. I'll continue to keep hiring it. As long as I get to sell this half too, I'm going to be great. I'm 30 cents away from selling half. My first target was 402.30. I just didn't sell anything. Just based on the volatility we're getting from Tesla, I want to see some action here. Again, based on how the market's been moving, it's always a great idea to be selling into these pops. But based on what I see here, I have reasoning to why I'm holding here. So I'm okay with that. If I end up taking a red trade on it, it's okay. $1.55 there. Guys, I'm 20 cents away from selling half, and then it becomes a risk. Yo, market pulled back. Look at Tesla. There we go.
It's
Come on.
getting aggressive here.
Put the ask above 40. Come on, stop fucking around. Like I said, as long as we don't get any crazy moves on QQQ, we're good. But then you're getting a crazy move now. Why are we getting reactions like that? FOMC is later today. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get through the storm here. All right.
All right, market's chilling now. Let's see.
Yeah, look at Tesla. Yo, realistically, if the market wasn't fucking bogus the last 9 days, where I actually went crazy in a market like this, I would tell you 403 is literally my target, but I can't. I don't like how the market's been moving, so I have to base it on how it's been moving the last 8 days. But look, we're here. Let's get through this, and then we're done for the day. Let's come on, crush it. Get me through there. Let's go. Come on. 402.
Another piece from the new high.
Okay, what's the high? 50 something, right?
58.
Okay. I just want to see 60's reaction. If we get 402.60, I'm going to, as soon as we pop there, and as soon as we show any signs of stalling, I'm out. Come on, Tesla. Hold up. Hold up here and squeeze. Market, chill out for literally 30 seconds.
That's it, just 30 seconds.
No, seriously though. All we need is 30 seconds of just chill shit here, and we're off to the races on Tesla. I don't see how we don't get through our target, our final target. $40 on the ask. I need a hold above 40 to feel confident here. Damn, man. Come on. Make this easy peasy. All right, well, I'm prepared on both sides. And I'm okay with taking my L if this doesn't work out, because I did everything in my power. The market's falling. Tesla's still holding up. I still have divergence, so I made the right move no matter how I look at this. I'm here for the L, and I'm here for the W, guys. And unlike these other people, I actually embrace my L's. So here I am telling you where my stop is at, where my take profit is at. And we're just going to go based off that. 402.10, 402.15. Let's hold up here. Come on.
Market's still dropping.
I know, man, and it's aggressive too, which makes this annoying.
Getting ready to cut here soon.
Yeah, I'll tell you guys as soon as I sell. I'm still here. It's your time to shine, Tesla. It's your time to shine. Come on. Nice.
I'm gonna use the bottom of this candle now as a hard stop. That's a good candle there.
What's the bottom of that candle? Oh, I see it. 401.30 something. Yeah.
37, yeah. 120 probably. That's one play I may use. They seem to keep buying it up right on that spot. I don't want to pull the trigger too early.
Yeah, I'm being very patient here. I'm not missing out on anything, right? No,
Nothing.
nothing. Cool.
All right, come on, Teslito. It's time.
I'm done saying its name. I think it hears me every time. I'm gonna start calling it a different name, see if it likes that or not. Come on.
Gordon's holding up.
Yeah, I know.
Marcus dropping here.
NQ is just stuck in a like high 100-point range.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yes, it's
Let me tell you something though. If Tesla gets it back above 402.30 and momentum kicks up there, that could be a bigger breakout than our original shit. Because this now it's flagging, and now it can, if it breaks above that high, then we're technically breaking a small little flag there. So that would be nice. We'll see if we hold above. Let's see. I'm sticking to my plan again, guys. Nothing's changed for my plan.
you keep
Damn.
trying to go bring the
Sam
red,
said
but
bye
this
bye
is-
Tesla. That's fucked up, Sam. You don't fuck with Nor? That's fucked up. Again, I'm doing a giveaway after this, so let's see. All right, come on. Come on, come on, come on.
This is at the top of the range now. This is get a little push here with the market to chill.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mark
this would be a nice break.
and Q8 chilling right now, by the way.
Have I played any of this? No.
Yeah, this isn't Frankie's
I'm
type.
going too soon though. I'm actually liking consolidation.
Ah.
I'm gonna try it once though. I'm just looking for an aggressive move into that 50 cent, and then that'll be my entry, and that'll just be a very tight stop. Since it'll still be stuck in range, technically at my entry.
Which one? 401.90?
402.90.
Oh, 402.90.
No, like 40250 is my entry. That's why it's a tight stop, because my entry will be based still in the consolidation, but it'll be off of a momentum candle.
Gotcha.
I've only taken one trade today, and I took circle that you guys were in, but it was a red trade, so.
Someone said we should get a discount. Yesterday, someone said we should get a discount because Frankie doesn't signal his plays. Nobody here is obligated to signal except me, brother. Just making that announcement real quick. And sometimes I trade on my own if I don't feel confident enough to signal it. If I don't like a play enough where I feel like it's worth the trade for you guys, I'm not giving it to you guys. I'm pretty sure that's the same way Frankie feels.
Benjamin, you in here?
The chat likes when I put things on my life because they feel more confident. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put this on my life. We make a new high. Just because you guys like when I do that, you feel more confident. So if this doesn't make a new high, I'm dead.
Alright, relax, bro.
Did we just make a new high? Oh, we did.
Yeah, 63.
Wow. Okay.
But
We just made a new high, so at least North survives that one. North
I
survived.
want this candle to close above 20 cents here.
So I'm gonna add on this trade at the 84-cent mark, and then I'm gonna sell everything on the 403. It's gonna be my last add of the trade. I don't care if it does any fucking crazy shit, but 403 is the pre-market high. He said Rafiki's life, my cat's life. All right, I put it on my cat's life. We get through 403. Put it on both their lives. So I got 2 cats. All right. If that's what makes you guys confident, I'll do that. You guys know I don't do shit like that. Very rare. Getting ready to add. I just added. Guys, I'm looking for the 403 pop. I'm actually, I said I'm going to sell everything. I'm going to sell half. There it goes. 403 just broke.
That's all right there.
403 just broke, guys. My cat survived. Yo, don't ever say bye-bye Tesla when I'm in a trade, Sam. That's called treason, by the way.
That's called hating.
Nah, Sam's a good guy. Sam's a good guy. We're gonna let him rock because I know him personally. But that's called treason.
Don't look at phone yet, Norm, but when you're out of the trade.
Shit. I don't like when you say shit like that, brother.
It's nothing like it's like nothing like.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Yeah, I wanted to add more to that.
Sorry. All right. Well, we hit final target and I didn't fucking sell, so here I am still here on Tesla. Now I'm just gonna hire my stop. I'm gonna hire it to 40180, which is basically my original entry. So now it's like right around the quote unquote stock break even of where I entered 40180. As long as we do it correctly. I might allow the candle to close, I'll let you know. How did that candle, what volume we had on there?
A little bit more than the rest. I agree with Frankie on that.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah, him. It was a great hold, and to be honest, if I would have felt, I might have still been holding if I didn't have same day contract.
Oh yeah, you're all out, right?
I'm all out. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
It's always good input from others. And honestly, I feel like now I'm kind of just not respecting what I've seen the last 9 days because I should be out by now.
Understand why you're biased on this trade.
Yeah.
You said what?
I said I understand why you're biased on this trade.
Yeah, I mean it
Makes
just
sense.
continues to look good and it held up through the worst. So it's like if I end up taking an L on it personally, it's okay. I mean I told you guys my target's 40130 and 40230 and then 403. We need to hold here. I'm out, guys. Just letting you guys know ahead of time. Now I'm out. So it was technically a great trade. Just ended up not getting to sell. What? I saw a tag. What the fuck? I'm better at this than you. Wait, what happened?
What's going on here?
I don't know. On Will by Law, I reached out to Sport, even DM TJR, so basically lost 7K if they don't get back to me. Oh, I think he's talking about TJR.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am one bashing the person for it though.
Yeah.
I explained it
Let's be
pretty
nice.
easily. Yeah.
Let's be nice. I mean, it sucks that there's people like that, right? And it's
No,
just-
yeah, I get it. Yo, so like,
All I said.
yeah, no. Also, you gotta remember the episodes that I make are all based on facts. I don't put my opinion on there. I even say I'll say something like, I don't know, I'll say like something like, this just looks weird, you know? Um but things of that nature. But yeah, Dimitri, I appreciate it. He's just telling you you don't have to violate, you know.
Yeah, I was just backing him up. So
Okay. MU, wow. All the way back
come
up.
back.
470 or what?
Now we're
No, I don't.
I'm
Yeah,
leaving
I
that
don't
shit
like
alone.
trading that stock unless it's in
Off,
the morning,
yeah,
like
for real.
straight off the rip,
Yeah.
because that's when you get the premium flips on the contracts the easiest, rather than now everything's settling, everything's flat. Uh,
Yeah.
Obviously, it's MU. I mean, anything can happen, but I only stick to trading that at the open, at least as far as earnings go.
Yeah, it's FOMC day. No need to fuck around and find
No,
out.
no cap.
I'm
Uh,
probably done. I'll do a quick Q&A. Are you doing a
Okay.
giveaway, Muskie?
you said what?
I said, you want to do a quick
Yeah,
Q&A?
yeah, let's do
I'm
it.
probably done.
Yeah, let's do a Q&A. I'm probably done. We'll see. But I'll do a Q&A in the meantime.
Like, still like Tesla, huh?
I don't even know. I don't think so.
Yeah, and shit.
Do you ever
Yeah,
trade
I don't know,
QQQ or
man.
SPY? I do, but Maki's the one that signals it. Yeah, we seen a video. Well, I seen a video at least.
Yeah, I'm watching. I got nothing to the upside.
And
That 180 did look good.
yeah, to the downside.
I almost called Tesla. What's that one stock that wanted to copy Tesla? Rivian, or what's it called? The one that is it Rivian? You know what I'm talking about? On the Lucid, yeah.
Lucid.
Yeah, Lucid. Remember you said you wanted to call Tesla something else, maybe you'll listen?
Yo, isn't it kind of crazy though? The moment he puts something on the line, as far as like a life, that Tesla wants to go.
Go ahead, Frank, you got the green light.
Okay.
You want a quick speech or not? On it? Not?
Nah.
No?
Nah.
Okay.
Shit worthless now, basically. It was a good one for a little while.
What?
Fucking Lucid, man. Mike said moment he did that, went back in. How did that work out, Mike?
Oh.
Yo. Nice, Mike. That's why I always let you guys know that you can you don't have to do exactly what I do. I can afford to stay in. I let you know the targets, and then I tell you if I'm selling at the target or not. Okay?
Yeah, but you also have like Frankie saying he got me saying I'm scaling
Yeah,
down too
yeah.
low.
Now they know. I'm sure everybody here knows that already. I kind of want to go all in with my fucking Vanquish account today.
Yeah.
Just fuck around. I'm not gonna fuck my account up though. I'm gonna get a separate account. Yo, the video's still going, but it's just grinding. All right. How about this? I want to give away. Who has a Vanquish account currently? Been profitable ever since I started taking profits where I'm comfortable. Not every day is a 20% profit, and it's been great. Of course, I appreciate it. Steph says yes. Who else? All right. I'll give away 3 free resets. How do I do this? I'm by myself today. I don't know how to do all that fucking fancy shit.
I can just call you in. Like, you want to keep talking?
Mm,
I'm sure he'll wake up for this.
nah. Well, let's just do it out.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Let's yo, how about this? Everyone, all right. Look. Ready? React. Only react if you have. I'm gonna type something. Ready? They closed mines after I won with you guys and never restored it. I don't even know what that means. All right, react to Tesla L with a heart. If it's anything other than a heart, you will not be entered into the thing, into the giveaway. Only if you already have a Vanquish account, made a Vanquish account. Okay, look, George, you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm making another check. I just got a bigger, but I'm listening. I'm watching.
I was gonna make you pick someone who reacted with a heart. Frankie pick someone, and I pick one. It could be anybody, and there's no hard feelings because I don't fucking know you guys.
Alright, let's do it.
All right, George, you go first. How do you say? Oh, view reactions. Anybody with a heart, you could pick.
Do you want to give it a second? A little bit more, like another minute or two? Or
No, they got 5. They got 5 more seconds. It's not that hard. It's not hard to put a fucking heart. 5, 4. Oh well, yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, George, go ahead.
Alright, name landed on Cal Casar with state on thing.
Let's type this out real quick. Frankie, your turn. Wait. Type it out, George, in the chat so we can send it.
Yo, no
Yeah,
way.
right there.
What happened?
Yo, I got Calcazar too. Is that Yo, no way.
He's-
I literally have my eyes closed, just scrolling up and down, moving my mouse up and down.
Nah. He's not getting 2 resets, bro.
First of all.
Alright, yeah, dude, that's insane, yo.
Hey, double it and pass it to the next person.
Alright, I got D Young OG.
D Young OG. All right, and then it's my turn. Or wait, who else is on mic with me? I don't want to pick.
That's who I got.
Yo, Ling Ling
Cabon, Ling Ling.
or White Chocolate. One of you guys.
Yeah, hold up.
Pick someone.
You okay, bro? You sound like you just
Ni
Let's
hao.
go back to the desk.
Ni hao, Kevin. Ni hao. Xixi.
We love you, Kevin. We're here for you, brother.
What about Jimmy underscore trades?
What the fuck does that mean? What do you mean, what about?
Fucking Kevin, bro.
Just, yeah, don't say what about. Just pick someone.
Why do you sound like you're asking, though?
Well, I'm gonna be like, no.
Jimmy, this guy.
This guy's crazy, bro.
Jimmy Trades goes, what about me? You're so fucking Kevin, bro. Alright, Norsky, last one.
I didn't want to do it because I didn't want anyone to feel. Yo, White Chocolate, where you at? Have White Chocolate do mine.
If I'm being honest, I think he's probably playing Arc Raiders and he's not actually.
What, that just came out or something?
No, it's been that, but that's all I see him on nowadays.
That's all it does, bro.
Like, he's here for like the first 20 minutes and then he's gone. I don't know why it says he's in the voice channel sometimes, though.
Then who the fuck can we?
Yo, Kunal. Oh, let's do Kunal.
Kunal's not on the mic, is he? He's here?
Oh, he's not gonna hop on there, no.
No, but he doesn't have to hop. He can just type it.
I'll be right back. I got my headphones on anyway, so. Friends shaking.
Nah, bro, that's actually crazy. I got the same person as George. That's insane.
Nah, you know what's crazier? That one time that Maki did the
landed on the same person, I assume.
Yo, Frankie, can you text me my Instagram password, please?
Yeah.
Nor pick a random number in your head. Hey, yo. Is there? Come on. Yo, come on, bro. I don't know who that is. I'd like to be.
Let me know if this works. Cause I think I updated it when you guys pranked me, but
Yeah,
I'm not too
nah, it's
positive.
not that. Hold on, I got it.
Okay, so yeah, I haven't updated it. Yeah, give me a second.
Nah, I got it, I got it. I just didn't feel like going to the gym. I was being lazy. I was being like you, lazy.
Okay.
Fucking lazy.
Alright.
Nah, you're fucking lazy, buddy.
Alright, man.
Ever since you quit Starbucks and became a full-time trader, shit has fucking changed, bro.
Check that screen, brother.
Huh?
I said, check that screen, brother.
What strain?
On movie?
Pause. What does that have to do with what I just said?
I'm on it. I've been on it.
Hey, yo.
Pause.
Nah, you don't remember
Bro.
when Mikey
What's up?
did the. You don't remember when Mikey did the what's it called the giveaway for $100 or some shit. And
On the Instagram live stream. Yeah, bro.
yeah, that was crazy. I ended up winning that, and I was like, the fuck? I ended up giving mine away.
Oh my god. What are the chances, bro?
Well, Frankie, I heard that. That was literally what I walked into.
Holy shit.
Hey, what did
Yeah.
you walk into?
Him saying 100, bro.
Hey, yo.
Yo.
Hey,
Even worse if you repeat it.
yo.
Yo, when did Machi pick a name? When I was not here.
Oh yeah. Mikey picked a name.
This nigga's gonna make this.
From the chat.
Scroll up to the message where Nor has like 100 heart emojis, and then just pick a random person, and then just type their ad out on Discord.
I found it.
Pick one person, brother. Yo, you guys saved all the names, right?
I typed it out. Yeah, I can always go back and look.
I'm just asking.
Alcazar.
I closed my eyes and I picked one.
All right, well, who was it, brother?
Let's see who it is.
Huh?
See what it is with you, Mikey.
Yo, Maki.
I have my eyes closed.
Yo, you're the smartest dude I've ever met, but sometimes you want some slow shit.
He's so smart, he's not.
My guy's on quant data vibes, and then we got bullshit like this.
Yo, okay. The winner was Bosch. Who is Bosch?
Bush.
Just type it out and just type it out.
It's B-A-S. It's like a simple B-A-S.
Mikey sounds like you drank last night or something.
Yo,
No,
put
I'm
the
sick,
ad,
I'm
like
sick.
add his Discord. Like put his ad.
There you go, it's right there.
I don't drink, George.
I know you don't, but you sound rough, cuz.
Yeah, how many people did we pick?
Should be
3.
4 with that.
Oh, Kevin, yeah, Kevin. Kevin.
Keep on.
4.
Who changes names if Maki don't pick them?
What the fuck?
All right, we picked all the winners. What else? Oh, I'll be streaming at 2 p.m. again for FOMC, so keep an eye on that. We'll have some fucking fun.
OMC. Got a question for the chat. For you, Norski.
What's up?
It's a question that over here that I'm, looking at, like over here at the bakery, right?
Okay.
So it's like it's one of them like there's nothing coming up, and we kind of bullshit around, fellas and ladies, whenever doing giveaways and stuff like that. So if anything gets close, we shut up. So FYI for the new guys, new people. So we're in the business, right? I recently took over.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bought out everything. It's been a flowing business for a minute, but I've taken it to the next step,
Uh huh.
right? So I have the same employees that have been here for that were here before,
Yeah.
and now all of a sudden I got videos where they're conspiring, bruh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What that mean?
Conspiring as in couple. It's only on day shift. Two employees that are decent. They're decent, but you know, the bakery is not where it's at recently because of them. It's because of me. And now they're conspiring and trying to, get raises. I was like, bro, I just took over. And it's not like y'all let this fall.
Okay.
Like, they want raises, but I ain't giving no fucking raise right now. I just took over less than a month. You know what I mean? And then, they're already asking for raises. What do you think I should do there? And I got video. I looked it up, and it just seemed too obvious where one day this person is asking for this, and then this other person is asking for this. And it's like, oh yeah, you're conspiring in my opinion. You know what I mean? Y'all getting together, y'all gossiping, trying to see what, trying to pressure me just because I just took over.
Tell them, give you a reason. They need to give you a reason to raise. For a raise. That's what I would say. I don't. That's not okay though. Because instead of a raise, you can lose a job.
Mm-hmm.
But no, that's not okay. Wait, they've already asked.
One asked, and then the funny part, the one that asked, she goes, "Hey, has so and so spoken to you?" And it's like, "About what?" So now she's already prepping for this other guy to talk to me, which is the second best baker. I got a better baker than him, anyways. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like one of the things where like I got somebody better than you. Why am I gonna get pressured or feel pressured from you? I got anything you do, I have somebody else that does it better. Employees make the company money, flow trades, and to a certain extent,
Yeah.
a lot of these employees let the shift drop, and they don't give a shit. And I saw 40, like, the reason why I took over is because, long story short, I saw $40,000 worth of overpaying in merchandise that did not make sense with the sales beforehand. You know what I mean? So that's, to a certain extent, not employees make the company money. I'm here. I'm working just as hard as them. The new ideas are mine. They're supposed to be the people kind of in charge, but they let the shift fall. It was the worst shift on all day, even worse than night shift. So why am I going to get somebody that was the worst performing, and the only reason why they're the best performing shift is because I'm here. I'm the one that's in the front taking care of the clients. I'm the one that's bringing in the ideas. I mean, it is my job. It isn't because I'm the boss. But just because it's finally looking all right, I think it's their fault. Yeah, Jonathan knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that too. Give it to me. I guess the part that pisses me off is like people like trying to talk to each other and like get on the same page and trying to fuck somebody. Trying to get at somebody. I guess that's what I'm upset about. Because I wasn't upset at the first person, but now that I see it's, two. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Jonathan. I don't like that shit. I don't like sneaky people that been doing shit behind your back. They look at you and talk to you a certain way, then they, do some bullshit when you're not looking. Can't stand people like that. I think we're gonna do the giveaway, huh? No?
We already did it.
We did it, remember?
Oh yeah. Unless somebody asked the 50K.
I think that's all Ian right there.
No, we're
King
not.
Shredder.
We're not doing that today. Today was just resets.
Need my dealer? Well, how many what that mean? Yeah, ST73, that shit. Yeah, you're right. What's up, Alex? Oh, you on free day, huh? Yeah, my mom calls those ST rotten apples. You know, the rotten apples start making the rest of the apples rotten. So you gotta remove the rotten apple. I got a good one, Turbo. I got a good one for processing. We tend to look at 1,000 in volume. If it has more than 1,000 in volume, we tend to look at those at least, and closer to the money. At least for me. It also depends on the type of stock. If it's a cheaper stock, it's gonna easily have more than 1,000, so it really doesn't matter at that point. But I like to stick closer to the money and whatever has the most. But on bigger stocks like MU or Meta or stocks that don't have the liquidity like Nvidia and Tesla, I think 1,000 is a good roundabout number. Meta's coming back or what, man?
Meta. Oh yes.
Just below
Wow.
617.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's with the market.
Damn, Tesla's at 398. Great stop loss, man.
That's a good breakdown from it. Oh, actually, never mind. I was gonna say that's a good breakdown from NQ, but that's pretty choppy, just hovering around 900. I mean, if we can get a bounce on NQ and if Meta continues without it, I wouldn't mind it. But it needs to set up in a specific way for me to want to continue to like it.
Yo, Meta is definitely a possibility. Honestly, would you stick around for that, Frankie, or you're not interested?
No, yeah, I'm interested in it. Yeah, I said how I would. I mentioned how I would trade it. The only way I would look to trade it is if NQ is bouncing or consolidating and Meta continues to fall.
See.
Because we originally liked Meta because it had a market during pre-market. But if it's falling with the market, it's like, it still doesn't look bad, but then I would be missing the point of why I liked it originally.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to be like more strict on how I take the trade. How would you look to want to take the trade? Same thing, wait for a bounce?
Yeah, same as you. You actually have more experience with Meta lately. Um, I'm sticking. Are we sticking to the 610 puts? No, right?
No, I have
615.
615s.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Okay. And how you want to take, like, what number? Do you have an alert at? Not that you're gonna enter. They're just asking.
615.40 as of right now, so 10 cents before that pre-market low.
Cool. I'm gonna change mine. Mine was 49,
A
but that was
little
from
risky
earlier.
because Meta could be due for a bounce because that's a pretty aggressive drop, but if it can get going, then it could potentially get going.
Marcus with a small push here.
Yeah, this makes it look good.
All right, we're looking at the 615 puts on Meta.
The earliest I'll get in is maybe at 50 cents if I see a really aggressive candle. That's only if I see something really aggressive. If not, then I'm sticking to that 40 cent.
No, I'm with you. I'm sticking to the 40 regardless.
Six fifteen 40.
Yeah, well, I have 45, but yeah. Again, if you're not familiar with same day contracts, you go to Friday contracts and play a little bit further out the money. Some people don't know how to
Wow,
size for that.
that candle was so close.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was
3
gonna say,
cents
aggressive
away.
candle. Yeah. That wasn't even an aggressive candle into 50 cents.
Oh, that was a good patience there.
Yep.
The same thing happened to me yesterday, bro. My alert was literally 2 cents away and I skipped it. It did the same thing. But the market's
Yeah,
against somebody.
Meta's typically one of the more stricter stocks on. Like, if I need to pretty much see the alert go off. Just because the spread's gonna be wide on the stock, so. No, my alert's set off of the bid or ask, I believe. Right? Let me just double check for you. No, pardon me, it's off of the mark. So yes, off the mark. When it comes to trading stocks with really wide spreads, the only time I did that was Netflix. Like, pre-split Netflix. I haven't done it since. On any stock, really.
This little key is making it look better. We can hold below here.
The only thing I would hate is just to sit here so much longer.
Yeah, I don't got much more. I mean, I'm doing other things anyways, but especially it's on FOMC day. So, how much time you want to give this?
Time is it?
To tempo.
Depending on where we're at 45, 45 will be my cutoff.
Alright.
So another 10, 11 minutes.
I could sell with a steep drop here. Hmm.
Damn, we got the bounce.
I'll be scalping this low on SPY at 75 cents. And I'll use the 665s. If this candle goes green to red, I'll get in early on SPY. How many seconds left? Doesn't look like it's gonna happen.
That's it for me then. Manage. What you mean?
I'm always down to come back though later at 2 p.m. though, like Nora said. I'm sure it'll
Yeah.
just be flat, but just peep and see if anything's close or relevant enough.
What's your lurk, Monkey?
No, it's not. It's not valid anymore.
It's not.
No, it's not.
Bet. Alright. With that being said, I am out. I probably will come back as well for FOMC. It's not too busy here. Anyways, again, with that being said, FOMC is today. No reason to overtrade. And yeah, y'all take it easy. Peace.
Peace.
Later, George. Take care.
Again,
I
if
have one more trade on SPY that I'll be watching. This low, I'm no longer watching. I'll go grab a coffee by the time I'm back. Maybe it'll be close.
Again, if you're on the YouTube stream, make sure you join the chat for free. We'll be back at 2 p.m. Eastern time for FOMC, but in the Discord, I'm not live streaming. And then we have 8 p.m. Eastern time where we do lessons every single day. So make sure you're there for free. And yeah, I mean, I'm not streaming that, so make sure you join the Discord.